Who made this? Huh?
It's midnight! Yes!
Well, you see, Gladys, the thing about my life is it's pretty sad, and I just don't know what to do. I...
Through research, science, engineering, and technology. Go to Big